Hi, welcome back to my channel. Carol Steel Action Plan, your amateur chef and beauty school dropout. I just wanted to pop on, show you, unbox a couple of things I got in the mail today, because that's what I like to do, get things in the mail and unbox them for you. Duncan apparently needs to be involved as usual. This is an Amazon order I just had. These are a couple of things I got for my trip coming up. Duncan, if you want to see a daily dose of Duncan, which I just started doing, which I'm sure people are getting freaking sick of my cat, but I love him so, and he's hilarious. So just follow me on Twitter. The link is down below. I'm still sick, but I've been working, fighting through it. The main reason why I'm working sick right now is because it's a short month at my job, because they give us time off for the holidays, and I need to see, so at my job patients need to be seen at a minimum of once a month, and some people that haven't been there as long need to be seen twice a month at least. So the first thing is, so I'm going on a cruise, and I got an individual like Brita water bottle, filtered water bottle, because I don't want to pay for bottled water, plus I don't like to drink out of plastic, and Brita is good. And so I got the soda package so I can drink all the Mountain Dew I want, and then I'm going to do that. So this is cool. And it's metal, and it's, you know, 20 ounces. If I drink a couple of these and stay hydrated, I'll be good to go. I mean, because the soda package is like 30 bucks for the whole time, so this is good. It's got a filter in it already, and I can buy replacement filters if I want. So nice. I think it's in here. I'm not messing with that. So there's that. So actually, that's not my original idea. There's like a cruise, Chris Jericho Cruisers Facebook group, and so someone there had said they did that last year. I'm like, that is a good idea, I'm going to do it. And then I got these sunglasses that I will show you, if I can figure out how to open them. Oh man, my head is like, I think it's here, but I have also been nauseous, so I don't know if I have the flu or what, but luckily tomorrow is Friday, and yeah, I'm off Saturday, Sunday. I do have to work on Monday, which is not my usual deal because of the Christmas holiday. Then the week after, I'm completely off of work, which is freaking awesome. Okay, don't take that piece of plastic. So today at work we had our agency little white elephant and potluck party. So it was pretty fun. So I brought the bacon wrapped chorizo stuffed dates. Everybody loved them, but there's 2 left, so I brought them home for Mark because he loves them too. And so my white elephant thing that I got was like it was like a little football game, like a beanbag toss, which I don't really care about. You know, I was gonna probably give it to the nephews. So someone stole it, and then so I stole this from someone else. I'm gonna give it to Mark, just cause, and so give it to him when he gets home, cause he likes Star Wars, and Funkos. And then so the other thing I got on my Amazon order was these sunglasses. I'm very excited about these. Can you tell? I will model them for you. Oh, I love them. I'm so happy. So these are cool. Alright. And they came in a case and everything. So I love that shit. So that's what's going on right now. I hope to get better by the time the weekend's over, because I don't want to be sick on my birthday week, which is the week of the 30th. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. I don't know if it's flu. I don't know what's going on. And it came with a hard case. Oh, with the, like a strap thing, I could hook that onto something. Not my belt, because then I would look even more like a dork. So there's that. And then, so I got an Ulta order today. Right here. It's not that much, so. Today I'm still on the week of my Zodiac love signs. And my lips is Gerard Cosmetics Ecstasy with the sheer liner. I'm feeling like this is my favorite matte, Hydra Matte color from Gerard right now. Because it's a little cooler tone than sheer, which I enjoy the hell out of sheer. So in here from Ulta, it's raining like crazy here, by the way. So this is the Crystal Zodiac brush kit. Like, I need more brushes. I have so many brushes. I have so many brushes I can like not wash my brushes for like a month. But I try to not do that because then I spend like a whole night doing it. Hello, Duncan. There's nothing in here for you. So this is the Crystal Zodiac. I'm confused by this palette. I mean, they're trying to stick with the Zodiac thing, but could they at least release all the mini palettes? Like, I don't have all of them. I have most of them. Let me see, this is mine in one piece. It is, thank God, because I saw someone else's on Twitter and 2 of the shadows were broken. So this is the Crystal Zodiac palette. I don't know. I'm going to swatch this amethyst one. Oh. Well, you can't see it because I suck right now. I'll do it on my hand. That's really soft, and someone had said they heard that the formulas were different on the baked ones on this. Alright, let me try another one. Here's the lapis one. Oh, I like that. It's super shimmery. Yeah. Alright. Let me see the jade one. Yeah, they're freaking soft. And there's jade. I'm not going to bore you with the whole freaking swatch party of this palette because I want to be done with this and I want to go take a shower, and it's 3:14. But I want to lay down and everything. My plan is to, on my week off, film way more like I did last year on my week off. So I think that'll be fun. I keep working on my, here's the brushes. I keep working on my little area out here so I can start filming out here more often. You know, I'd love to like do sort of tutorials. I'm just haven't been up to it in the mornings because of my area. And the bathroom lighting sucks ass. So, that's all I got for you today. Just a little quick pop on. Hope you guys are having good holidays. And, I don't know. I'm sure I'll pop on before Christmas. If I don't, then I have a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and all that. And please, I'm not going to beg you to subscribe. Just subscribe, that'd be cool. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, whatever. And believe me, I'm working on more stuff. Right now it's just a hot mess. However, hope you'll stick around for more stuff next year. Have a great night.